This is the Asheville Fire Department Physical Agility Test Demonstration. The beep test measures cardiovascular endurance and involves running back and forth along a 20-meter track, timed to audio beeps that progressively increase in frequency. Participants start behind one of the markers. At the sound of the first beep, they run to the opposite marker, making sure to reach it before the next beep sounds.
Start of level 2.
The test ends when a participant fails to reach the marker before the beep for the second time consecutively.